make your points more effective. Uh, Now, negative body language, lack of enthusiasm or curiosity. So, you should not be disappointed, idle, lazy in the interview room. You should not be crossed arms. Crossed arms is also a sign of negative body language. Fidgeting hands or tapping feet. Sometimes the candidates, they are fidgeting their hands like this. So this is not required. Lack of eye contact. Leaning back. So this is not required. You don't have to lean back yourself. Nervous mannerism like playing with hair, nail biting. This is not required. So these are the marks of negative body language. Do's of the interview. Do arrive on time. Otherwise, no one will believe that you will be punctual at work if you are late for the interview. Do research about the organization. Know as much as you can from the web sources, libraries, your friends, etc. about the company or the organization. Look professional. During the interview, you get only one chance to give good impression about you. Remember that the first impression is the best impression. First impression lasts for long time. So wear dress which is suitable to the nature of interview. Maintain eye contact while you engage in conversation with the interviewers. Look the interviewer in the eye. Be active and show your interest in the interview. Be focused. Don't allow your mind to wander here and there outside the interview hall. Answer using simple and clear words with correct pronunciations. Express your views confidently so that interviewers can easily understand you. Make use of gestures and facial expressions to make your points more effective before the interviewers. Do's of the interview. Some more tips for do's of interview. Share your experiences of the previous job. Stress your achievements. Make sure that your good points strike the interviewer. Now, along with the do's of the interview, we should be acquainted with the don'ts of the interview. Don't be late. Don't look at the interviewers casually and carelessly. Don't look downward at the time of greeting the interviewers. Don't stare at the floor or don't stare at the ceiling during the interview. Don't play with your body parts like hair. Don't do nail biting, etc. during the interview process. Don't discuss your financial hardships because the interviewers will not take into consideration or your financial crisis. Also, you don't have to make an impression on the interviewer that you are interested only in the salary. Don't criticize your previous or current employer. Don't be in a hurry to answer. Don't talk too much. You must learn to speak at even speed. Don't be too familiar. Remember, the interview is a professional meeting. This is not a meeting making a new friend. So do not overstep your place as a candidate looking for a job. Don't speak too loudly or too slowly. Keep your voice audible. Don't use long and ambiguous sentences which may put you into trouble. Don't appear desperate during the interview. Otherwise, you will lose the confidence, good impression of the interviewers. Reflect the 3 C's: cool, calm, and confident. Don't be negative. Don't ever lie. Don't use gestures excessively. Don't refuse a job offer unconvincingly. Of course, you can take the time if it requires. Don'ts of the interview. Some more tips about don'ts of the interview. Avoid negative statements or complaints. Avoid indecisive phrases like I think, I guess, probably. When a question is asked about some concrete matters, you don't have to answer I guess so and so. I think I scored so and so marks in my so and so year in my graduation. So you don't have to answer with such types of words, indecisive phrases. I guess we are not in the Kaun Banega Karodpati show where people sometimes use the words I guess this answer may be right, this answer may be wrong. We are in the interview, so we don't have to use these types of indecisive phrases. Avoid answering a question if you are not clear. Keep telling jokes. We are not there to entertain the interviewers, so we don't have to tell jokes in the interview. Keep away from topics like politics, religion, etc. Try to answer all the questions convincingly. Don't answer the questions with simple yes or no. Of course, provide examples, give explanations whenever it is required. Don't leave unfinished sentences. Don't take cell phones during the interview. If you take the cell phones with you, then turn it off during the interview. Don't forget to thank the interview panel before leaving the interview room for their time and consideration. Be yourself. Be honest. The more prepared you are, the easier it is to be comfortable during the interview. Be confident, honest, and tell the truth. Speak clearly and keep your tone audible. Be ready to take responsibility. Remember, 50% of the responsibility for the right job match is yours. You are interviewing the employers just as they are interviewing you. After all, if you are selected, you will be spending at least half of your waking day in this atmosphere, in this environment. So be ready to take responsibilities. The interviewers are excellent at discerning sincerity, honesty, and a true desire of a job seeker. So be yourself, be honest during the interview process. If you don't get the job, suppose you don't perform, you can't perform well during the interview, then what to do? So first of all, review yourself, review your approach. Why I got rejected? If I answered vaguely, irrelevantly to the interviewers, did I maintain little eye contact with the interviewers? Did I observe negative mannerism during the interview? Did I fail to impress the interviewers? After reviewing the approach, don't get disappointed. Instead, be positive, professional, and appreciative. Keep the door open for the future. Every interview can be a learning experience, learning laboratory for you. So be ready for your next interview. On the whole, interview is an assessment and evaluation of one's personality, knowledge, education. You should obviously be very well prepared for the interview. Neither be nervous nor agitated while entering the interview room. When the interviewers start conversation, pay attention to the questions and respond properly. Give relevant answers to all the questions. Last but not least, think positive and feel confident. I am sure success will be yours sooner or later. Good luck. You can refer to the several books, reference books, from which I have prepared my presentation. Business Communication, S.D. Sharma and Jyotsna Prabhakar. Effective English Communication by S.K. Agrawal. How to Face Interviews and Succeed in Group Discussions, Priyanka Patnaik. And a handbook for English Language Laboratories, E. Suresh Kumar and P. Srihari. Thank you all.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.